In the ever-growing world of entrepreneurship and solopreneurship, knowing who to follow on LinkedIn is essential to growing your brand and developing the skills that will help you to become the best in your niche. Today, we're diving into the profiles of the top 20 LinkedIn business and solopreneurs who are redefining success and inspiring millions around the globe. Let's meet the Trailblazers. First, Justin Welsh. A seasoned entrepreneur known for scaling startups, Justin Welsh's LinkedIn feed is a goldmine of insights on leadership, growth strategies, and personal development. Why you should follow him. Exceptional entrepreneur, quotes and advice. Powerful business tips you can actually use. Invaluable insights on scaling startups. Coming in at number 2, Sahil Bloom. A thought leader in productivity and financial literacy, Sahil Bloom's practical tips and actionable advice resonate with solopreneurs and entrepreneurs alike. Why you should follow him. Thought-provoking threads on productivity, actionable financial literacy advice, valuable insights for personal and professional growth, and number 3, Lara Acosta. A champion of diversity and inclusion in entrepreneurship, Lara Acosta shares valuable insights on overcoming challenges and fostering inclusivity in the business landscape. Why you should follow her. Inspiring posts on diversity and inclusion. Valuable insights on overcoming challenges. Empowering content for aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 4 is Luke Matthews. A rising star in the world of digital marketing, Luke Matthews is known for his innovative strategies and dynamic approach to brand building. Why you should follow him. Cutting-edge digital marketing insights. Actionable strategies for brand growth. Expert tips on maximizing online presence. At number 5 is Sam Suchan. An influential figure in the world of social media marketing, Sam Suchan is renowned for his expertise in crafting engaging content strategies and driving audience engagement. Why you should follow him. Expert insights on social media marketing trends. Actionable tips for content creation and audience engagement. Valuable advice on maximizing impact through digital storytelling. Our number 6 pick is Stephen Bartlett. An acclaimed entrepreneur and social media influencer, Stephen Bartlett is known for his groundbreaking insights into digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Why you should follow him. Provocative perspectives on entrepreneurship and innovation. Practical advice for building successful businesses in the digital age. Inspirational content on personal growth and leadership. Number 7, Zach Brown. A trailblazer in the world of motorsport and business, Zach Brown is renowned for his visionary leadership and strategic acumen. Why you should follow him. Insider insights into the motorsport industry and Formula One. Expert strategies for business development and sponsorship acquisition. Inspirational stories of leadership and innovation. Coming in at number 8, Furkan Ridhan. An emerging voice in the realm of digital entrepreneurship, Furkan Ridhan combines creativity with strategic thinking to carve his niche in the online world. Why you should follow him. Unique perspectives on digital marketing and e-commerce. Practical advice for starting and growing an online business. Inspiring stories of resilience and success in the digital landscape. Number 9, Hannah Larson. Follow Larson to tap into a decade of building and scaling high-growth companies, from shaping the future of work at remote to empowering startups with next-gen go-to-market strategies. She's the architect behind the scenes, making unicorns happen. Why you should follow her. Larson transformed remote into a $3 billion unicorn, leading its EMEA market to top performance. Actively shapes how work evolves globally, creating opportunities for better lives everywhere. Delivers actionable insights through popular newsletters and a substantial LinkedIn following, guiding followers to monetize their own content effectively. And at number 10, Alexandra Didio. Follow Alexandra for a masterclass in transforming cutting-edge ideas into action across the worlds of digital product management and media. Think of her as the Spielberg of digital strategy. Why you should follow her. Pioneers growth in digital landscapes, turning fresh insights into impactful business strategies. Has a history of steering significant projects from concept to market, notably with heavy hitters like Estee Lauder and Dragon's Den. Seamlessly blends startup agility with the operational rigor needed to scale up in multinational environments. Dakota Robertson comes in at number 11. Dakota Robertson is a leading figure in the realm of personal finance, providing valuable insights and actionable advice to help individuals achieve financial freedom. Why you should follow him. Expert guidance on budgeting, saving, and investing for long-term financial success. Practical tips for managing debt and building wealth. Inspirational stories of financial empowerment and achieving financial goals. Number 12 is Tim Hansen. Tim Hansen is a seasoned entrepreneur and business strategist known for his innovative approaches to growth and his dedication to helping others succeed in their ventures. Why you should follow him. Strategic insights into business development and market trends. Practical advice for entrepreneurs navigating the complexities of starting and scaling a business. Inspirational stories of resilience and perseverance in the face of challenges. Lucky number 13 is Martin Crowley. Martin Crowley is a visionary leader in the tech industry, renowned for his groundbreaking innovations and transformative leadership style. Why you should follow him. Cutting-edge insights into emerging technologies and industry trends. Strategic guidance for navigating the ever-evolving landscape of technology and innovation, inspirational anecdotes and success stories from his journey in the tech world. Coming in at 14 is Chris Branch. Chris Branch is a dynamic entrepreneur with a passion for innovation and a track record of success in various industries. Why you should follow him. Insightful perspectives on entrepreneurship, leadership, and business strategy. Practical advice for startups and small businesses looking to scale and thrive. Inspirational stories of perseverance and achievement in the face of challenges. Our number 15 is Aishwarya Srinivasan. Aishwarya Srinivasan is a rising star in the world of tech entrepreneurship, blending creativity with technical expertise to drive innovation and positive change. Why you should follow her. Insightful discussions on emerging technologies and their impact on society. Practical advice for aspiring entrepreneurs in the tech industry. Inspirational stories of overcoming obstacles and achieving success in a male-dominated field. One to follow at 16 is Charles Miller. Charles Miller is a seasoned business strategist and leadership coach, dedicated to helping individuals and organizations unlock their full potential. Why you should follow him. Strategic insights into business development, management, and growth. Practical advice for aspiring leaders and entrepreneurs seeking to enhance their leadership skills. Inspirational stories of personal and professional growth, demonstrating the power of effective leadership. Sharon Wu is our number 17. Sharon Wu is a leading voice in the world of personal development and self-improvement, inspiring others to unleash their full potential and live a life of purpose. Why you should follow her. Insightful guidance on personal growth, mindset, and goal setting. Practical tips for overcoming obstacles and achieving success in both personal and professional life. Inspirational stories of transformation and resilience, motivating others to pursue their dreams with passion and determination. Coming in at 18 is Parker Worth. Parker Worth is a dynamic entrepreneur and marketing strategist, known for his innovative approaches to brand building and customer engagement. Why you should follow him. Expert insights into digital marketing trends and strategies. Practical advice for businesses looking to enhance their online presence and drive growth. Inspirational stories of entrepreneurial success and resilience in the competitive business landscape. Number 19 is Jasmine Alec. Jasmine Alec is a rising star in the world of social media marketing, leveraging her creativity and strategic vision to create impactful digital campaigns. Why you should follow her. Cutting-edge insights into social media trends and strategies. Practical tips for building a strong online presence and engaging with your audience. Inspirational stories of entrepreneurial success and creativity in the digital age. Rounding our list at 20 is Jemima Arith. Jemima Arith is a trailblazer in the world of sustainable fashion, combining her passion for style with a commitment to environmental consciousness. Why you should follow her. Innovative approaches to eco-friendly fashion design and production. Practical tips for incorporating sustainability into personal style and lifestyle. Inspirational initiatives and collaborations driving positive change in the fashion industry. And that's a wrap on our top 20 LinkedIn personalities to follow. Don't forget, the best match is the one that aligns with where you want to take your brand. So, go ahead, hit that follow button and start connecting with the minds that move you.